We're going to look here at how to solve a linear equation. So let's have a look at the equation. 7x minus 2 equals x plus 10. If we look at the things that are circled in yellow here, each of these things is called a term. And every term must have a sign and a number in it. So if we look at the second term here, the sign is minus, the number is 2. If we look at the first term, it has a number, it has 7, but it doesn't have a sign. And if we have a look at the third term, it doesn't have a number and it doesn't have a sign. So if a term doesn't have a number, we put a 1 in, and if it doesn't have a sign, we put a plus in. So now let's have a look at how to solve this linear equation. So first we have to check, does it have a sign and a number in every term? And it doesn't, so we've added in a plus in front of the 7x and a plus and a 1 in front of the x. An important thing to notice here is that the equals is written under the equals in the line above it, and that's just to try and keep everything neat so that there's less chance of making a mistake. So our rule when solving linear equations is that any term that has a letter in it goes to the left side of the equals, and any term with just a number should be on the other side of the equals, the right side of the equals. So we're going to circle the terms that are on the wrong side at the moment, and then we're going to move them over. So the 7x is fine where it is, so that stays. The 1x moves over, the 10 stays where it is, and the 2 moves over. And you'll see that we have a little rule that when you move a term over to the other side of the equals, the sign in front of it changes. So this plus 1x is now a minus 1x. The minus 2 is now a plus 2. So now we have all the terms on the side they should be on, we can just tidy up. So on the left side, 7x minus 1x is 6x. And on the right side of the equation, plus 10 plus 2 is 12. So now all we need to do to finish solving our equation for x is to do something about the 6 here, because we need to get rid of that. So all we have to do is just divide by the number in front of the x. Divide both sides by the number in front of the x. So we're going to divide both sides by 6. And when we do that, the left side of our equation here has a 6 above and below the line. So they will cancel each other out. And our solution is x equals 12 divided by 6, which is 2.